What's up guys, Carolyn Castillo with eXp Realty and Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today's listing is located in San Pablo, an amazing community in Jacksonville. Let's go take a look at this house. Guys, welcome to this amazing property. So you are currently standing in a beautiful home in the San Pablo neighborhood. What I love about this community is you're so close to the town center, you're so close to the beach, you've got the Mayo Clinic right by you, and this is such a rich neighborhood full of families and communities growing here. So this property tour that we're gonna go on today is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, approximately 1,800 square feet with a 2-car garage and a huge backyard, okay? Now this home does need a little TLC. However, all the core components of the house are in great shape. We're talking about a good roof, new AC, and just needs a little paint and some love. So let's go take a look at this house. Now, right now you are standing in the family room. What I love about it is you've got these vaulted ceilings. You walk right into this open space, the kitchen and the formal dining room. The bedrooms are on this side, and you have this beautiful view of the fireplace. So this is a really nice grand room here. Now you'll see here we do have an actual set aside formal dining area. And you know, nowadays everybody's knocking down all these walls and just making a big area, but I still really love having a secured formal dining area. It's really, really nice. And I love the floor plan because it leads right into the kitchen. This is a kitchen that connects all the rooms. So you're connected to the kitchen from the living area, and you're also connected to another formal dining area, breakfast area. This is where the family gets together in the kitchen. It's a large kitchen cabinet. They are original cabinets. They are real wood, guys. So if you wanted to buy this as a first-time home buyer, you can do that and fix it up little by little as you go. One of the nice bonuses is the seller did just put in brand new appliances. So you're gonna have a brand new stove, brand new dishwasher, and also brand new refrigerator. Guys, the refrigerator is so big and beautiful, it doesn't fit the cabinets, okay? So you're gonna have to move the cabinets to make it work. Now, when you come over here into this area, I just love the bay windows right here that just looks out over the backyard areas. You can see the kids playing, or if you're having some kind of party, you can feel like this house is great for entertaining. They do have the laundry room right here. So, hey, do your laundry. Maybe you want to move it to the garage, but it is right here. This is your access right here to a 2-car garage. Perfect, perfect garage, perfect condition. So let's go ahead and walk over to where the bedrooms are. Now, what I love about this home is that it's gonna be priced at a price where you can still, it won't be the top of the market. Homes in this neighborhood sell anywhere from $500,000 when they're fully renovated. So you're gonna be really surprised at what this one goes on the market for. Now you have your 2 bedrooms here, and you've got your master here first. So let me go show you the 2 additional rooms. So you do have a bathroom right here for both of the rooms to share. It is original, it's not in bad shape. You can totally use it if you're a first-time buyer and you wanna move in like this, or if you wanna renovate it right away, go for it. But it is in good condition. You've got 2 identical rooms right here. I love it because this house has these big windows, so there's no lights in here and it's full of light. And all the bedrooms have a walk-in closet. This is huge, guys. Not all houses feature a walk-in closet, so this will be perfect for your kids to grow up from years to come. We go into the second room. It's pretty much the same. It has 1 window. It's not on the corner unit, but it's a big, huge, beautiful window. And it also does feature a walk-in closet. So it's plenty of closet space for the whole family to enjoy. And now let's go take a look at the master. So as you walk through the property itself, like I said, it just needs like some painting, some new flooring. Look at this big master. So this is the perfect size to put your biggest furniture in here. You've got the 2 windows looking out to the backyard. You've got a full walk-in closet right here. That's what I just love about this house, that every room has a walk-in closet. It's amazing. And so you do, of course, have an ensuite bathroom, as it being the master. Again, it is original. It's a private vanity here, so you can be doing your makeup, brushing your teeth while someone's in the shower. So it's a stand-up shower with a commode, and then you've got another closet here for your bathroom and everything that you would need. Like I said, guys, it needs some new flooring, some new paint, and honestly, this house is ready to go. So let me show you my favorite part, which is actually the backyard. And the backyard is so beautiful. It's fully fenced. It's in great shape. The landscaping's been taken care of very well. And let's go out here. Wow, look at this beautiful backyard. I love it so much. And so here you can have, you know, put a pool even if you wanted to. There is no HOA here, so you're not gonna have to worry about any crazy restrictions or anything like that. So you've got this beautiful backyard here that you can go ahead and enjoy with your family. And let me show you a really fun part about this house, okay? So it's the first time I ever seen one in real life. I thought maybe this is from a storybook or anything. But you do actually, when you purchase this house, you're actually gonna get your own personal wishing well, okay? So your dreams can come true right here in this backyard. Guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and we hope to see you buy this one. Talk to you soon.